So I kind of bought something. Wasn't really planned. Definitely an impulse buy. But I think I made a really good decision now because I got a really good deal on this thing. I'll show you what it is. It's a little rough, but it's got potential. So you gotta see that side of it. It's been raining and it's missing a hood, so it's now covered, but let's go ahead and uncover this thing. Yes, it's a Subaru. All right, let's uncover it. All right. She's a little rough, but it's got a good body here. The paint has been spray painted, so it's a little ugly. This is a 2004 WRX. Yes, it's missing a hood. Yes, the headlight looks... I don't even know what that looks like. It looks like someone attempted to restore it and failed miserably. This one looks better. I think... I don't really know what all is going on here. We're going to tear this thing apart and see what's up with it. But it's got a Subaru radiator in it, though. So that's cool. That looks like high quality. It came with an extra EJ25. It's used. I don't know anything about this block yet. So the paint has been spray painted over as well as the rims. So kind of gross. The wheels don't look as bad as the paint of the car, though. What do you think, Matthew?
I personally would not have picked that color for either the car or the rims. That's just my personal opinion.
Is that one unlocked?
No. You want to explain to your viewers about that nice 8 battery?
No, not really. I don't want to talk about it. All right, here's the inside of it. This car used to be white.
Do you want to open my door?
Hang on. I'm getting there. Ugh. All right, go try it out. Try it out. There we go. We have a Momo steering wheel, little boost gauge here, a turbo timer from HKS. So this is the best part about this. Got an access port with it. This is down there. It's got a decent shift knob here. The clutch feels pretty good, and I'm pretty sure it's got upgraded clutch. I don't know. I think it's going to be an ACT because it's got stickers all over for ACT. An old doubled in, which, I mean, it's not that bad. The seats are in really good condition for the age, considering it's, as of right now, a 20-year-old car. The floor desperately needs to be cleaned, but I think the carpet is savable. Dash is really clear. Miles 199. 929. All right, let's check out the back of it. Does yours unlock? Why does it not unlock?
Is your battery dead?
No, I heard it. I don't know. Maybe it is dead. Back seat's really clean. There's a pile of crap in that thing. I don't think it's even for this car. I don't even know what it is, but that's that. Oh, that's the wrong duh. It's down here. Let's check out the trunk. Yeah, by accident. Back here we have a random, I don't know, I think it's a front mount. Yeah, it's a front mount, but I don't know what it is. It's probably some eBay knockoff. Extra turbo, stock turbo looks like. Valve covers, some heads. Yeah, some duct tape. Hey, duct tape.
Nice.
Gotta have that. Nice little funnel there. That's white. This is blue. I guess they just slapped a blue wing on here and then painted it black. Oh, a blue bumper too?
Yeah. I think, right?
That is a blue bumper. That's odd.
It's like white and blue. That might be the chip, though.
I'm a bit confused as to what happened to this thing, to be honest.
Also, wait, is that overspray? Did somebody paint it blue at one point?
Oh, also, it's got exhaust on it. I don't really know what it is yet. And it's got a Perrin rear sway bar under there. I haven't gotten underneath it yet to look under there. Just enough to see that there's no rust, so that's good. But I don't know what the mods are. It's got a bunch of stickers, though. National Speed and Subiculture and Stay Rumbling, Boosted, Rockville, Cobb ACT, Turbo Smart. This car doesn't this sticker doesn't really work for this car.
No.
It's not really premium auto styling.
Try the smoke machine.
So the story behind this, I got this thing from a guy who owned a shop. The owner of the car brought it to him and said, hey, can you fix it? And then apparently he didn't have the money to fix it. He just bought it, all this. And so the shop owner had it sitting outside of his shop for a few months. And finally he was like, hey, I'm selling your car. So the guy came and brought the title to him. And so I got this car for really cheap. That's why I bought it. But I think it has a lot of potential. The body is really straight. There's no dents.
Did you mention that?
Yeah, clean title car. It's like I said, it looks a little rough right now, but you know, it's got a lot of potential. All right, guys, so that's a little intro to the new project. Stay tuned. I'm going to post a lot more of this car. I bought this car and I didn't really know what I was going to do with it. I was debating parting it, fixing it. The more I look this thing over, I see a lot of potential in it, so I think we're going to rebuild it. All right, guys, like I said, stay tuned. More videos coming on this thing. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss them. And we'll catch you later.